Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Dani for Dani Tutorials, and today I have a very highly requested video. We're gonna transform this bunch of clay in Raymond for Animal Crossing. Everybody loves him and everybody loves Raymond, so let's do it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you can find me again, and also press the bell button because I have videos Monday, Wednesdays, Fridays, and Sundays at 8 o'clock for you guys. So we are going to need to start drawing the little Raymond. He, I guess, is the animal that's the hardest one for you to have in your island. And hold, I just say drawing. Excuse me, I don't know how to draw, so I'm gonna show you my trick. Turn the lights off and turn your phone on and just let the room be really dark, and then you can see, just like me, how good do I draw, people. No, I don't. I cannot draw for my life, so we use this easy, super lovable trick. Just like that, we can just go over all the lines and things like that, and we can pretend that we can draw. Then I can't. So that's it. We are going to copy him. I wish I could draw, guys, but not gonna work. Here we go. Let's pretend and start over. We did draw him and he's really cute. And now we're gonna start with the glasses. I am using black clay to do the frame, and I'm gonna go all around and give the shape, and that's why we trace the drawing and the picture, so we can go over and use as a base and, you know, basically copy everything. I'm getting crazy locked in here, guys. Okay, so we're going to start with the foil. I am using Polymer clay for this video, but you can use any other clay. You can use foil or styrofoam, whatever you have home. And I'm just gonna stab a little hole on the bottom so the toothpick can go in, and the body. As you can see, we are going to start covering with the Super Sculpey all over the face. And I don't even know why I decided to use Polymer clay. Sometimes I just don't understand myself. So today we're going to use Polymer clay, but the Super Sculpey that I had it is all this color. So we're just gonna keep like that, and we're going to cover the body and the face with the foil. And now we are making a triangle, a little kind of thick, guys, because you want it to stand on his head for the ears. So I like to bang it on a table on the sides because he has a very video game-ish body. If that's a thing, then it's probably not a thing, but that's okay. And as you can see, it's very thick ears. I made 2 of them. You're gonna need to have 2 of them, and then we are just going to go over and smooth everything out. As you can see, my clay was a little dirty. A little tip is, like, when you play with aluminum foil, just like I did, don't go with the clay over the table because it will be dirty, and that's what happens. But that's okay because we are going to paint. I covered the body, and now I made a little rope, and we are making 1 leg. And of course, if you don't want him to jump around everywhere, we are going to have to make the second one. Just like that. Use your fingers, best tool ever, and free, and always in your hands. And then we're just gonna mark a line to separate the legs and the little footsie. And now I am going to start making his little, it's not a tuxedo, it's just like a, who knows, I know, hold on. Vest. I know, it's a vest. Oh my God, today is gonna be crazy because I can't speak and I don't know anything. So I cut the vest, the side that is up on the picture, and then the other side I'm just going to make the lines around because I wanted to give the impression that this one is on top of the other one. That's why the buttons are on that side. And then we make 2 little tiny little rolls for the pockets. And yes, feels like looking that I'm drunk. My pockets are not straight, so I fix it later, but fix it too, okay? So don't copy the bad things, or just don't learn with me the bad things, just learn the good things. So I made a little balls for the buttons, and we are going to make a tiny little tie for his neck, but you also don't need to do this if you don't want it, and then just paint after you done, but why not? And then 2 little triangles for his shirt. So we're gonna pretend Dani's out there. It's not, but that's okay. My husband today told me that I'm a little crazy, so guys, just bury me today. Let's go do this. So we are going to place this up, and then just be sure that all my lines is still in the right place. And now we're gonna cut the vest for his back, so we kind of make it like this weird kind of triangle something shape like that. And we are gonna place right on the back, and we're gonna smooth the sides and the top, just leaving the bottom to mark where the vest is. And I'm also make some stitches and things like that. I don't normally use polymer clay. I like to challenge myself sometimes and use it. I don't know what made me use polymer clay when I woke up today and make this video, but I kind of like it every time that I do, because you have time to play around and make your details and things like that, and dries fast because you just put in an oven. Guess what? But that's okay. So now we're gonna make a little hand. I made a row, mark the hand, like what the hand is gonna be in the arm, and he is done. No, I'm lying. He needs hair. Who said that a cat go to the office? And the cat that goes to the office has hair. So we are going to make a little pretty bang for him. Just put it there. And here we go. Smooth the top, make everything pretty. So now it's baked. I kind of sand it a little. I see a bunch of people saying that we need to sand it, so I sanded his face just to be in case. And I'm mixing a little bit of blue with a little bit of light gray to get his color. And I think that's, to be very 100% honest, it is true. That's why I started making polymer clay, because I didn't have any clay that was that bluish gray weird color. So I was like, oh, I can use this color and just paint on top of it. Duh. Yeah, I think that's how I got here. Who knows? I don't know, but that's okay. Mix the paint, and then we're gonna go all over. And then in the video kind of looks a little bit more blue than is normal here, but just never mind, just pretend that it's gray, more gray than blue to gray. So I'm gonna go to the ears, even though we are going to paint them again, but it's just easier to go over everything and give a little first layer, and don't worry about it. And now we are going to cover his legs, arms, and all his little body. Go all over, and I'm using acrylic paint. Super cheap, guys. Walmart, like $1, or Michael's or things like that, and it's pretty good quality. So you can start your collection if you start making it now and don't need to buy everything, right? But that's okay. So I don't know anything about Animal Crossing other than everybody talks about it now, and my kids are crazy about it. But we discovered this weekend that they have little cards for Animal Crossing animals, that you touch the video game and then it pops it up. Like in my time, I was happy getting a Nintendo, the first one that used to kill the duck. Pew, 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 kill the duck. That's what I used to play. But now, my kids play things that I don't even understand. I use the hair dryer to go over paint to dry faster. I decided to show you guys because it's not a trick. Everybody probably do that, but it's an easy way to make everything dry. And then I am just going with the white where his shirt and neck is. As you can see, that's why I said then you don't need to make the tie, because in the end it gave me more trouble than less trouble. So if I was going to make it again, I would just ignore that and then paint on top of it. But now I cannot ignore anything, so we just deal with it. And now I am just popping it up a little white. He has a little layer of fur. And guys, as I can see, today is not a good day because I'm a little crazy. And then where is my video painting that little ear? That's the coolest part of this stupid cat. You know, like, what? That's okay. Just paint it pink, make a shadow in red, and paint black. Okay, guys, I promise. I don't know what happened. It takes so long. Then I think my video just stopped. And then I am going to use a little bit of gray, light gray and dark gray, and I will mix them together to paint his vest. I made some lines before I cooked this little cat. Oh my God, I feel so bad saying that. Before I baked this little cat, I made some lines just to look more like a suit. But you guys can put as much detail as you want on this thing. So I guess this one is the smartest one, is the most desirable little animal on the island. I don't even have an island, but I'm kind of getting excited to start making all those animals first, because then I get the, the little star as the cool mom for the kids, because they went crazy. They knew exactly who Raymond was, and they knew what he does and the special superpowers. I don't know. But I guess I should make more of them. What do you guys think? Do you think we should make more of them? I am going crazy to do like a rhino that's like has a strawberry on top of it. I wrote down somewhere her name. Where is it? Merengue. Then I thought it was super cute. I think it has a duck that is super cute too. How about we do that together, guys? What do you think? I can use other clays, other type of clays for the other ones. I am going to go pick it up tomorrow because I still don't want to go in any stores. One of the triplets, the little girl, has asthma a lot, so we don't want her to get sick, so I'm not going anything. We're really quarantined here, and that's probably why this video is so weird for you guys, because I'm talking weird, and I don't know. So now we're just gonna use black for the tail, as you can see, and the black part of his shoe. Just like that. I kind of love painting, I'm not gonna lie. I know then is an extra step. That's how I look when I use polymer clay and I'm not using colors of the clay that I'm so used to. And then I need to paint all over. It feels like it's that extra work, but I kind of like to paint the therapeutic mixing colors and making something pop suddenly for a weird color to, colors. What do you guys think? You like to paint? We can do so many more. I used to paint all those wood decorative pieces and, Halloween pieces and 4th of July pieces, all those signs, wood signs. So if it's something that you guys want to see as well, please let me know down in the comments so I can help you. So I painted the tie and now I am gluing the hair. I just put resin in the middle of the little glasses after was baked, and then he is done. I hope you guys like it. That's Raymond again for Animal Crossing. I guess he's the super smarty office cat. And then if you guys want to see more, please let me know. We can make other animals. We can make a lot more cool things. I hope you like this tutorial. I kind of had fun painting and also this therapy with you guys, talking to you. Please give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and don't forget to check it out. The old tutorials, they're old but they're goodies, I promise. Go check it out, and I talk to you guys on my next video Monday at 8 o'clock. Bye guys.